Hi everybody, this is last video for door and light control project. In this video we will complete the last portion. The last portion is HMI. From HMI we will control light and we control door lock. Let's start it. Go to the folder where you unzip project that you download from editstudio.com website. Two folders over here. First is project where we can edit all functionality, and second is precompiled project that you can run right away. If your Arduino board connected to your computer, you can just simple double click on this executable file and your application is on. You can turn on light, you can click and open door, you can click and open another door, and if door or gate will be closed, then you will see door icon will return to old position and display door is closed. Same over here with this door, and you can on and off light from this application. If you want to edit your Arduino digital control or door and light control project, you have to download Godot Game engine executable file from Godot engine official website. This is URL, and you have to go to download page and download your Windows or Linux or Apple version. After you download Godot Game Engine, just double click on this executable file and then scan and find Arduino Digital Control project. This is door and light control project. Sorry about these names mismatch. Then select this project and click edit button. This is Godot IDE environment. This very simple one screen project. Click on script and you will see screen script, and this script running when screen is open. I will not try to teach how build Godot project and Godot application or Godot HMI. I will show you just only major point how you set up this project. First of all, again, look on declaration. This is first variable declaration at the beginning, and what is important, just this two line. First line is a password. This is YCS server password or Yedicom server password. In our test environment, password is number 1, but if you run in your server, definitely you will change password and you have to put new password over here. Second line is Arduino ID. Do you remember we set Arduino ID inside connection property driver file. This is Arduino ID unique name AA. In this case, this application or this HMI know that it's supposed to be retrieve data from server, and these all names start from AA and belong this specific your Arduino board or driver. Next important thing is function ready. This function running when screen is open, and this first thing that load when project start up. This is 2-line or 3-line important. This is where you're running your serial driver, Arduino serial driver. First we're trying to kill in case it's previous version running, and then we start new instance of Arduino driver. Over here we're running a VB script file only with one reason. We want to hide execution CMD file and not display when we start or kill Arduino driver from this application. These VB script files located in your project driver, and this is your VB script. Okay, HMI running a VB script file, and VB script execute batch file, and batch file running driver or kill driver. Next important thing is fixed process function. This function constantly running by Godot Game engine, and this function running default speed is 60 frames per second. Inside this function we running HTTP client, and this is a client constantly send requests to YCS server, and this is string where your YCS server located. And in our case this is yedistudio.com, but it could be on local host or could be on your private network. Another important thing, command, this is actual HTTP get string. We build the string just before call client, HTTP client. Here is port, YCS server port. Default internet port is 18. Probably you already noticed HTTP client not running 60 times per second. I add over here another timer, and this is timer set over here, and client run every quarter of second. I don't want to abuse system and run this client too many times. Small but very important thing. When I build HTTP requests to YCS server, I call service on server, I call it name start with, and name start with Arduino unique ID. Do you remember AA? and this means server responds on my request only with names started with AA. In this case, this application receives only AA pairs from server. Next important function is unload. This function called by system when this HMI receive response from YCS server. Inside this function, we parse HTTP response and assign it value to our door icon. Now look how we can modify screen. If you click on 2D, you will display or show screen. Then, for instance, we want to add one more door. Then we click on door, and this is door number 2, and Control D is duplication, and now we create door number 3. Then we drag it, and okay, any places over here, and our HMI with third door ready to go. We can run this screen. Door status show is open. Then we go to our repair viewer, and this is GPS door for door number 3, and we enter it 1, and click, and door display shall close, and then we will change value to 0, and door show status is open. Then we can check lock. Okay, this is lock door number 3. If we click over here and do refresh, lock change to 1, and it's never reset to 0 because we don't have a logic on Arduino board for door number 3. We manually can set to, I'm sorry, we have to come back to another screen and manually change value to 0, and then okay, this is value 0, and then if we click again on door and then refresh, value change 1. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this project, and good luck.